Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can back up Zoho Mail's emails on macOS, or it can actually work on other devices as well, but specifically for macOS. So before starting, make sure that you have Zoho Mail access and enough local storage on your device or your Mac OS. And this will help you to secure your emails in case of accidental deletion or migration. So once you're here, what you will have to do is export emails from your Zoho Mail via settings, which is right here. So go ahead and look for export as email. And then what you will have to do is you will export your emails, and basically you will have an option of mbax here, so just go ahead and click mbax if you do see it, and then once you're done you will save the downloaded mbax file to a secure folder on your Mac, and then you will this is optional, by the way you will use a compatible email client like Apple Mail, so that you will be able to import the mbox for easy access, and then you will organize your backup files in folders for easier management, and then finally you will confirm all emails from that backup, and that's basically just it. And I really hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.